Hi, now we will see about ternary operator in Java. Okay, so question mark and colon. This is the ternary operator. Now we will see the syntax. So we can give one condition. Okay, next we have to give question mark. Okay, we are just asking whether this condition is true or false. So the condition we are specifying, then we are giving the question mark. We are questioning. Okay, so if the condition is true, then this code or this expression whatever we have given will get executed. If the condition is false, then this part will get executed. Okay, so this is the syntax of ternary operator. Okay, the condition, the question mark, then the true part, colon, and the false part. Okay, in the end we have to specify the semicolon. We can see one example. So I am giving a integer value a is equal to 10 comma b is equal to 5. Okay, now I'm declaring one variable c. Okay, what I'm going to do is, if a is greater than b, I'm going to subtract a minus b. Okay, if a is less than b, then I'm going to add a and b. Okay, and I'm going to store the value to the variable c. So how I can specify is, the condition first we have to give here. A is greater than b is my condition. Okay, I'm asking the question. If it is true, then we have to do the operation a minus b. Okay, so if it is false, we have to add this a plus b. Then we are giving the semicolon. Okay, what we are doing is, we are checking whether a is greater than b. If this is true, we are going to subtract. If this is false, we are going to add. Okay, now we can print this and check. So c is equal to okay, we can execute this. See, a is greater than b, so the condition is true. So the true part, that means first part will get executed. So a minus b, the value is 5. Now I am giving 50. Okay, means a, again we are checking a is greater than b. A value is 10, b value is 50. The condition is false, so the false part will get executed. Okay, means 10 plus 50 will be 60. See, the second part will get executed. Thank you.